My name is Willie Villarreal. I'm a family nurse practitioner. I own Core Sports Health in Conroe, Texas. I specialize in sports recovery, sports performance, and hormone therapy and wellness. We pride ourselves basically on trying to bring in whatever new technology is out there that has validity, right? It has to have validity and efficacy for the patients, for the athletes. Today, we're here at that advanced training for the PEMF, and I think that this, like from everything that I've seen, I've already seen some miraculous things in about the last 2 to 3 weeks for our athletes and our patients. But what we've learned this week and what we've actually seen and felt, I think this is it. And I think this will actually probably change our practice. Every time that we hit upon a new application for the PEMF, names would pop in my head of patients, and I was literally making a list. Which I've already contacted half of them, and half of them are coming in this next week. But no, I'm real excited about the opportunity to use it and implement it now. And I think it's, again, like I said, I'm always trying to take my athletes and patients. There's so many levels above what we know is out there, and I think this is going to kind of take our athletes and our patients to the next level. So I'm kind of excited about going forward from here, with the PEMF.